Welcome to the 30-day hang challenge, and thank you so much for meeting me at the bar. So you might be like, Angela, why hanging? Well, hanging is not only great for your grip strength, which is correlated to overall health and longevity, it is also going to help you decompress the spine, increase your posture, and of course be the first step to the pull-up. After you do this 30-day challenge, you're not only gonna have something that is a small win for you every single day to show you how much consistency truly matters. You're also gonna leave a little taller. Well, maybe not taller, but maybe. But it's going to do life-changing things for you and your health. First things first though, make sure you download this PDF. In this PDF, I have a full count of exactly what you're gonna be doing. Please note, you are not doing a max hang every single day. You might notice on here it says max hang to start, so you'll figure out how long you can hang on the bar. Then each day it says 20 to 30 second hang. So you're not hanging for a long extended period of time. I know you might think to yourself, oh, Angela, but like I can hang longer. But what we're trying to teach you here is that little baby things and being consistent is going to see a longer term result. It's kind of like when people talk about running, right? When you run a marathon, they actually tell you in order to run faster, you have to run slower. It's the same concept, but with hanging on the bar. On the PDF, you'll click each of these links. It's gonna tell you exactly how to do the specific hang I'm giving you and all the different benefits. We have 5 different hangs that we're gonna be going through, and they are game changers. In order to hold you accountable, I always pick somebody every single month to win a $50 Amazon gift card. And all you have to do is post on social media and tag at Angela_Gargano so that I can see that you are getting your hang in. So there's 2 things that I want you to do right now. And go over and do your max passive hang. Head over to this post, the link is down below, and click I'm in and tag 3 friends to join you in the hang challenge, and I'm gonna send you something special for free. And it's gonna allow me to see that you are getting started in the challenge so I can look out for you. Anyways, real quick, I'm just gonna go through a rundown of some of the hangs that you're gonna be doing. Hang number 1 is just a regular hang on the bar like this. This is going to help decompress the spine, your grip strength, and it's just gonna get you feeling really good and stretched out on the bar. So completely passive, which means literally you're not doing anything, you're just hanging here. Number 2, you're gonna do a hang and move. So you're gonna really feel like a monkey on the bar. I give you tons of tips and tricks in the video on how to do this. You're gonna lean to one side and try and lift your hand and literally monkey around the bar. This is gonna help you to get more comfortable in the bar, help work your muscles in different ways. Next up, we have the fan favorite, the hollow hang. You're gonna literally hang in a hollow position. Your feet are out in front of you, you're squeezing your glutes. This is going to activate the core. And the first step to getting your pull-up is to have strong grip strength and to have a nice, tight, strong core, because the pull-up is a full body movement, so it's gonna be a great starter for that. Plus, everybody wants to do stuff with abs. So there we go. And last but not least, we have the active hang. You'll jump up, you'll lift up, you'll hold that active position here. Your arms are completely straight. You're pulling that scapula together. You're kind of doing it like this. If you were gonna do it off the bar, this is what it looks like. And this is gonna help to get the first piece of your pull-up, which is the bottom, ready and set to go and stronger. It's also gonna continue to help you with that posture because we are sitting all day like this. It's gonna help to roll everything out, have you standing taller, feeling more confident, feeling really good. So really excited to have you be a part of this hang challenge, and let's get hanging.